Hello everyone, welcome to SYNDEStv. My name is Haziq and today I will bring you to a walkthrough of the Samsung Knox Manager dashboard. Here, I will give you a glimpse on how Samsung Knox Manager works. So the first thing you will see here is the dashboard. But before that, bear in mind that this is just the tip of the big iceberg of Samsung Knox. So in the dashboard, you can see the devices that you have here, like how many of them you have enrolled, disconnected or expired, and how many devices that you have unenrolled. In this dashboard, you are also able to see and manage the other users with the Knox Manager. From this dashboard, you are able to see the last seen of your devices, which include the device command history, your assigned profile, assigned application, enrollment history, the platform type of your device use, whether it's Android, iOS or Windows. Here you are able to see your license for using Knox Manage in this dashboard. And the best part is you are able to track the location of the devices. So let me show you how. This map, as you can see, will show you where your devices are. For example, I'm able to track some of our devices here in our building. Yet, there is something you need to be aware of. At the top of this screen, there is a timer that needs you to be online. As you see here, it is set for 30 minutes for you to be online, and if you are away within 30 minutes, you will be auto logged out by the system. Alright, we are done with the dashboard. Now let's take a look at the device. Up at the top, there is a search bar that allows users to easily search for their device, no matter how many or how large the number of devices they manage within their company. You could search by their device name, IMEI or serial number, username, and the device's status. If you select the device that you want, you will see all the details from the device. You are able to track the device security detail, device information such as their phone battery percentage, and even the memory that they had used on that device. It also shows the network of the device such as the Wi-Fi status and whatever information that you need on the device network itself. Same goes with the application. You could see the installed, assign and control application in the device. Moreover, within the profile side, you have the capability to restrict various phone settings such as the camera, GPS, app installation, and numerous other settings. So now, let's move on with the user section. With the Samsung Knox user management system, you have the ability to easily track and manage the users on this platform. You can conveniently check the numbers of users you have and their respective statuses, whether they are currently active or not. To assist you in locating specific users, Knox Manage has incorporated a search panel at the top, so you can use this feature to search for users based on various criteria such as their ID, name, group or organization, type, and the platform on which the device is operating. This search functionality greatly simplifies the process of finding and accessing user information. Other than that, a click on their name will provide you with comprehensive details. This includes the ability to make change to their details, reset their password if necessary, modify their status, and even request device enrollment for them. With this user management system, Knox Manage helps to provide you with a streamlined and efficient way of handling user-related tasks. So let's move on to the organization section. Here you can quickly search for organizations by name using the search panel. Once you select an organization, you can access important details such as the organization name, management type, device type, and the number of assigned device. Within the organization page, you can also view the user responsible for managing the organization and their detailed information. Additionally, you'll find information about the organization's device inventory, including the devices it has access to. You can also see the application and profiles assigned to the organization, along with their respective setting and policies. Modifying organization information and setting is a straightforward process. It allows you to make necessary changes as needed. If required, you can delete an organization from the system. These organization features serve the purpose of implementing different hierarchies within our platform, and each organization is assigned a specific profile, enabling customized setting and policies tailored to their requirements. Next, we go to the application part. Here you find a wide range of pre-added apps available for use. Knox Manage provides the flexibility to add any other apps of your choice, and adding new apps is a simple process for you. You can just click on the Add button, select the desired platform and source, and proceed to the next step. Voila! You can now remotely install the selected apps on any device. With lots of apps available, Knox Manage incorporated a convenient search panel at the top. You can easily locate desired apps by entering the app name, selecting the platform and sources, and specifying the type. This search panel functionality enables quick and efficient app discovery. Furthermore, within the application section, you can manage app updates seamlessly. By simply clicking on the app name, you can initiate remote updates, ensuring that all devices automatically receive the latest version of the app. You can also view which device have particular app installed, as well as identify which organization that utilize that specific app. Well, let's explore the Knox Manage profile section. Similar to other sections, you will find a search panel at the top, allowing you to search for specific profiles you wanted. Once you select a profile, you will be presented with valuable information associated with it. You can view the profiles available along with their respective platforms, versions, and the number of organizations or groups to which they have been assigned. When selecting a profile, you will have full access to further details. You can explore the policy set for the profile, gaining insight into the specific setting and rules that had been set here. Plus, you can see the devices to which the profile is assigned and the corresponding groups or organizations associated with it. I would say managing profile is made simple through this interface, because you have the option to delete profiles, modify the policy setting as needed, and assign the profile to any desired group or organization. So how about the kiosk section? Are we able to manage it from Knox Manage? Yes, of course. Here you have the ability to configure and manage multiple versions of the kiosk mode according to your requirements. These versions can then be assigned to specific devices based on your setup. Let me show you this. When you select a kiosk, you'll be able to preview the kiosk mode, allowing you to preview its appearance. Not only that, you can also customize various aspects of the kiosk, such as the wallpaper, margin color, and other settings. This provides you with the flexibility to customize the kiosk to desired specification. Isn't it amazing for your business? The good thing is, you can easily add or remove the apps, pictures, and widgets on the assigned device remotely. This allows you to customize the content and functionality available within the kiosk mode, while ensuring an optimized experience. Once you have made the desired modification to the kiosk, you are able to view which devices have been assigned to this particular kiosk mode, like this. This actually will help you with a clear overview of which devices you are utilizing with the kiosk configuration. As simple as that. Alright, now we have reached the end of this video, and I guess that you already have a comprehensive understanding of the key features of Knox Manage. Am I right? But if you have any further questions or need some clarification, just feel free to drop your question in the comment section below or through our social media platform. Believe me, we love to answer your question. Thank you for watching and have a good day ahead.